Unlocking the mystery, by hook or by crook. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, by hook or by crook. This expression is a real treasure trove for those of you eager to expand your English vocabulary and understand the nuances of English expressions. Let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase and see how it can be used in everyday conversations. The phrase, by hook or by crook, means to achieve something by any means necessary, whether through lawful or slightly cunning methods. It suggests a determination to reach an objective, regardless of the obstacles or challenges that may arise. This expression is often used to describe a situation where the end goal is considered more important than the specific means used to achieve it. The exact origin of by hook or by crook is somewhat disputed, but there are a couple of popular theories. One theory suggests that it comes from medieval England, where peasants were allowed to gather fallen wood for fire using a shepherd's hook to pull down branches and a crook to gather them. Another theory points to the English Civil War, specifically to the Irish towns of Hook Head and Crook, where Oliver Cromwell purportedly declared he would take Waterford by hook, a village on the south coast of Ireland, or by crook, a village on the Waterford estuary, hence indicating his determination to seize Waterford by any means possible. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Here are a few examples. Determination in achieving goals. He was determined to finish the marathon by hook or by crook, even if it meant crawling over the finish line. In business or negotiations, we need to secure this deal by hook or by crook. It's vital for our company's growth. In everyday challenges, I forgot my house keys, but I'll get inside by hook or by crook, even if I have to climb through a window. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, by hook or by crook, is a wonderful addition to your English vocabulary, embodying the spirit of determination and resourcefulness. Whether you're navigating through the challenges of learning English or tackling daily obstacles, remember this phrase as a testament to the human spirit's resilience. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.